Can you write a Python program without creating your own function? Yes, you can. Python already gives us many ready-made functions like a print, len, type, sum, string, and many more. In Python, this is called as a built-in function. And today we will learn the most useful ones that every Python programmer uses almost every day. A built-in function. So what is built-in function? A built-in function is a one block of code that Python already written for us, and this block of code are used to perform some specific operation. So here are 15 built-in function in Python that we will learn in this video. So till with me, we will learn all this Python built-in function in this video. Okay, so first of all, the print. So how we can use the print built-in function? You know all the print function. You all are know the print function. How we can write it? Simply write a print and write a statement that we have to print. Hello, my name is Harsh. So this is simple print function that we are called. Okay, hello, my name is Harsh. Now second one is input. You know input function also. How we can take it? If we want to take the input from user, then we can use this input function. Input is a built-in function which are used to take the input from user. Suppose we want to take name from user. So what we are write? Enter your name. Okay. So yes, this is asked for a input. We will write Harsh. Okay. So this is the input function. Now type. Type inbuilt function are used to describe the data type of any type of data. Any data. Like x is equal to 10 or name is equal to Harsh, age is equal to 20, height is equal to 5.9. So we are printing the type of this data, like a print type of x, print type of name, print type of height. Okay, so we get all the data types of the data. Data types of the data. Class int is a 10, class string is a Harsh, and class float is a 5.9. Okay. Now fourth built-in function is len. Len are used to check the length of the character. This count the all over length of the word or character. Suppose the string name is Harsh. and we print the length of name, so it will print 5. Okay, because Harsh name has a 5 character. Now integer. Integer is one data type and it is also used as a built-in function also. If we write num is equal to 10 and want to convert it in integer, then what? Print int of num. So now our 10 is converted in integer. You can see. Now float. Float is the same as integer, but we are converting any other data type with float data type. Like num is equal to, same example, num is equal to 10. 10 is an integer and we are converting it into the float. So it will give us 10.0 is the float number. Now string. If we print num is equal to 10 and convert it into the string of num, then it will give, it will give us 10, but this 10 is a string data type, not in integer. Okay. Now, can we perform a sum operation of all the list without using a def function? Can Python calculate the sum of entire list without using a loop? Let's check with this sum built-in function. Numbers is equal to 10, 20, 40 and 50. Now we have to print all the sum of these numbers. So sum of numbers. So the sum is 120. Okay. This built-in function make our code easy. Now max are used to find a maximum number from the list. So num is equal to, if we have a number of data 20, 50, 80, 12 and 90. So this print maximum number from the list. So yes, 90 is our maximum number. Okay. Now same as mean, this is used to find the minimum number from the list. Mean of num, so it will give the minimum number from the list. Okay. Now absolute. What absolute function do? Absolute function are used to give the one absolute value. That means if we are printing some negative number like a minus 50. So it will convert it in absolute value in 50. Okay. Now our 12 function is round. These functions are used to convert the pointable, that means decimal number, into the rounded. Let's check how. Suppose our number is 4.5678 and we want only 2 decimal point after the point, then we have to simply write a 2 and it will convert it into the 4.56. You can see that 4.57, sorry, 4.57, because 7 is bigger than 6, so that 57. Okay. Now shorted function. Shorted function are used to short the number, short the list of the number. 10, 30, 40, 70, 30, 90. This is shorted already, I think, but 12, 80. Okay, this is unsorted list and we have to sort it with the help of sorted function. Sorted of num. So this is our sorted list: 10, 12, 40, 70 and 80. Okay. Now our range function. Range function are used to collect some specific number in between range. Suppose for I in range of 1 to 11. If we want only 1 to 11 numbers, then what? Then we can use range function. You can see 1 to 10, so 11 is not countable. Okay, so 1 to 10 numbers are printed using a range function. Now what about ID function? ID function are used to return a unique memory address of an object. Let's check it out. If x is equal to 10 and simply we print ID of x, then what will it print? It will print the ID of 10 number, that we are storing a number 10 in variable x, but the actual ID of the x is this. If we are storing another variable, another data like a 20 and also print the ID of y, then it will different. You can see that. Okay. So that's all about the inbuilt function. All the inbuilt function are created. 15 inbuilt function we are see in this video. So congratulations to all of you. You know the most useful built-in functions that every Python programmer use regularly. Try the practice question and let me know your answer into the comment. And subscribe this channel for more Python tutorials. Thank you so much.